How to install WordPress on Godaddy domain. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you the process on how you will be able to have WordPress on your domain. Now, as you can see right now, I'm currently on my Godaddy product page. And what you're going to be able to, what you're going to need first is to have the web hosting option available for you, because that is the only way we will be able to access WordPress from our Godaddy. Now, WordPress or web hosting is a specific plan that you need to inquire. You are able to have your domains in a basic account, just like this one, and have your websites be created using Godaddy's website builder. But if you want to have WordPress specific domains, you would need to have a web hosting plan. Now, what is the web hosting plan? Now, typically when you have a normal account, this web hosting option is not available for you. So what you're going to need to do is to install a web hosting or a Godaddy account. So let's go web hosting plan. There we go. Open the first link that you're going to see. I'm searching it because it's difficult to manage or navigate the Godaddy version over here. It's hard to look for it. You might see hosting and WordPress over here, but if you open this, it's not really going to be the same as you can see here. This is just going to be like a list of hosting websites that you have. So anyway, I would search it. You guys could search it as well. And these are the different plans that we have. So we have 4 different plans. You could use or you could purchase any plan that you need or that you want, and you will be able to access your web hosting over here right away. What I would recommend though is that you would read through the available or the description of each plan so that you would know if you're overpaying for the plan or you're not getting the plan that you need, or rather you're not getting the specific plan perfect for the situation or the needs that you have. So let's say you want to be having or modifying 2 to 3 websites, but the plan that you purchased was a starter or an economy, which is bad because for those 2 options, you are only limited to 1 website. So you need to really plan or check out those descriptions. And you don't want to be overpaying as well, because if you just want 1 website, you don't need to pay for the web hosting deluxe or the ultimate to manage that. But there's a lot of free options over here or free sections over here. But anyway, also with the domain, depending on the plan that you're taking, you are able to receive a free domain with the value of a specific number. So for us, if we visit right now, open our web hosting section, you will be able to see here the specific plan that you have. So simply click on manage and we will be redirected to another page. Give it a few seconds to load. Let's wait for it to load. And we will be redirected to this page, which is like the cPanel page. This is where you will be able to manage and see all types of information in relation to your account or the web hosting plan that you have. So we're here right now. As you can see, this is our page and we have our primary domain over here. So first things first, click on change. You could change the domain that you have and select the specific domain that you want WordPress to be installed into. Like I explained earlier, depending on your plan, you could either have a domain with a specific or a certain price range, or I believe you are still able or you're also able to use any domain that you already currently have, as long as it's not attached to other domains or other platforms or a website that is published and running. I think you are able to utilize your own domain. So it's taking a while to load. Let's try again. If this does not load in a bit, we can just proceed to the next section of our demonstration or our tutorial. But it is possible, or yeah, you could change the domain that you have. But anyway, assuming that you have changed the domain that you want to have or you want to use, what you're going to do next is you can either click on the option that you are seeing earlier over here, or you can click on add website, or you can also click on see panel admin over here. I don't know why it's not loading right now, but anyway, let's just click on the see panel admin, which is going to be the tool or like the page where we will be able to install our WordPress. So just give it a few moments. Oh, there we go. As you can see, this is what I was referring to, by the way. Just simply click on install application, which will do the same thing, redirect us to cPanel, which is what we're going to see just now, or as you can see right now. And as you can see here, what we're going to do is we're going to click on our application. So these are different tools that actually affects or modifies your website in a very deep level. So be careful with modifying things here. You can also check out domains here, by the way. You could check out and like change things. I think you will be able to, there we go. As you can see, you can manage your different domains. But going back to our main topic, simply click on applications. And this is the Installatron, where you will be able to install different things. So over here, scroll down, you have your different apps for different purposes. You have community building, you have content management, e-commerce and business, apps or photos and files, and you have your surveys and statistics. And you might have noticed that we passed by under content management our WordPress over here. So simply open WordPress, and you can now easily look through the different information about it. As you can see the version, all of those things. You can see what's new, live demo is showcasing over here. And you can simply click on install application, which will allow you to install your WordPress into your Godaddy domain or whatever domain that is attached. So you can just, as long as you change it, of course, although as you can see here, this is like a random generated domain that I could use right now. This is like a domain that came with as soon as I purchased it. So it's definitely a demo domain, which is a temporary domain. It is expected that you change it to your corresponding domain or to the domain that you actually want. So you could do this or do that, like how I showed you guys earlier, to this page. Although it wasn't loading for me, or actually there we go. As you can see, I could use the domain that is directly under my account, or I could also use a different domain, which I could purchase, I guess. But anyway, that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.